Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to add Facebook to your YouTube channel. So log in your YouTube channel studio, then click on customization. Now here click on basic info, scroll down and click on add link. Link title it's required, so type Facebook. Now here URL for your Facebook account or page. In my case it's facebook.com tech pro advice. Then click on publish. Now go to your channel, Facebook account or page directly from your YouTube channel banner like this. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to add Facebook account to your YouTube channel. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.